We own the Grand Design Momentum 349M. It's the M class, and I think our favorite thing about it is the back deck that can be, and the garage, but we haven't used it as a toy hauler yet. It's our guest room, and we've got 2 kids, 2 grandkids, so we can fit the whole family in here, plus our 2 dogs.
Yep, they get to run around on the back deck without bothering too many people in the camp.
No tie-outs. It's just, we love, the porch was like the seller for me, but we actually found this Momentum at the Grand Design Imagine Rally here at the same park last year because our friend Jason Varga had it, showed it to us, and we traded our 2600 RB in on the 349M on the way home from the rally. So, as far as customer service for Grand Design goes, we ended up going to the National Rally in Indiana last year, and they provided tech service. When you signed up, you had to mark 3 things that you needed fixed and prioritize them. And in fairness to everybody at the rally, there was only over 400 units. You had to put 3 things down. And ours were minor. One was like, we needed a new drawer replacement because it was scuff marks that we missed in the walkthrough. And so they brought the replacement for that. One of the pulls came or didn't come with our bedroom blind. But on the way to the rally, 2 things happened that weren't on our list. One was we got there and our center air didn't work. It worked in our driveway, 5 minutes before we left. And then when we got to the Grand Design rally, it didn't work. There was one, and there was an issue with our refrigerator door. The center flap kept opening. So that we didn't realize until then. They not only took care of the 3 items that we had requested, but they took the time to fix the air, which was just a loose wire from driving on Michigan roads to Indiana. And they also fixed the refrigerator. It was like an extra washer that needed to go in to make the door pop open.
Yeah, they went above and beyond,
and they were
excellent service guys. They're just good people.
They were there right away. They came in and out, in no time at all, asked us if we needed anything else while we were there. And then the Lippert people asked if they could tour ours because they hadn't seen one. They had a bunch of new tech people with them that hadn't seen a Momentum, so they kind of took it through. So the whole Grand Design team effort and all their vendors we couldn't say enough about it.